Hey guys, it's Tipsy Tuesday, and here is your tip for the day. Yes, I know you're saying, isn't this Wednesday? No, it is. I love it. I was trying to upload this video yesterday, but things got out of whack. I got my mom visiting. She got sick, so I had to take her to the hospital. She's okay. So I just things got mixed up for me. I couldn't do it, so here it is, a Tipsy Tuesday on this Wednesday. Okay, let's move forward. Buy low, sell high, right? That's what every home buyer, home seller wants to achieve. Buy a property at the lowest point possible and then sell at the highest point possible to get maximum return on their investment. Problem is, when do you do it? And there lies the conundrum for all home buyers and home sellers. Now, a lot of people believe they know, oh, I know when to do it. I know you should buy at this certain time or sell at this time, and you're gonna be very, very happy. But the experts will tell you that, right? But in reality, they don't know. Nobody knows. In fact, I got two prime examples coming up of experts in the field that, well, proves that they are wrong also when it comes to predicting the market. Hey, quickly, don't turn the channel yet. Before anything else, thank you so much for subscribing. If you haven't, please subscribe. If you have any great ideas I can use for Tipsy Tuesday, put them down below in the comments. Okay. Julian, where's the market going? Should I buy right now in this, in the fall, or should I wait to the spring to sell? We hear it all the time. As a broker, you hear it all the time, guys. And again, nobody knows if not we'd be billionaires. I wouldn't be doing this. I'd be out laying out in Key West enjoying some margaritas. But no, all we could do, guys, as a broker is analyze all the data that we collected, because that's what we get paid for, right? That's our job. We do it 24/7. We read publications, we read what other industry experts have to say. We analyze it and we give you the best educated opinion, if you want to call it opinion, that we have. And here's the worst. Buyers, sellers, yourselves, you've been in that position before. You do your own research, and you watch the news and you think you're ready to go. I think I'm gonna sell a house right now, or I'm gonna buy the house in a month because it's gonna be a good time. And then you go to a reunion, your friends are there, your family's there, or maybe you go to work and a coworker's there and they said, don't buy now, what are you crazy? The market's gonna tank. The market's gonna tank in a couple of months. And then you're like, you're back to square one. They put a wrench in your plans. Look, at the start of 2023, a lot of economists said that interest rates at the start of this year would start declining. Not quite. You and I know that. In fact, right now in the fourth quarter of 2023, interest rates have hit a 23-year high. In fact, the numbers gurus at Wells Fargo, that's right, the big guys, Wells Fargo said at the start of this year that, interest rate would average about 6.1%. Then they had to revise that in August, this past August, to 6.7%. And again, right now, in the fall of 2023, we're at over 7%. Also, the chief economist for one of the big real estate firms in the area said that at the start of 2023, that interest rates would be above 6% through the fall and then gradually slide to the upper fives by the end of the year. Do you think that's going to happen? Now, he also said, I'm going to read this from the article that I read, that list prices would drop in 2023. However, check this out, the median list price in King County in January was $723,000. Right now in the fourth quarter, it's $797,000. Snohomish County, at the start of the year, $645,000, the median list price. Right now, it's at $715,000. And in Pierce County, at the start of the year is $510,000. Right now, fourth quarter, $530,000. So what's the whole point in this, guys? Well, I'll tell you. Like the stock market, the real estate market is uncertain. Nothing's etched in stone. Nobody knows for certain that certain things are going to happen at a certain point. It's just an educated guess. That's why you got to do your research, and more importantly, do your research alongside your real estate broker. or real estate agent, depending on what state you're in. Work with them. That's what they do. That's their job, 24/7. They're working, to make money and hopefully get a referral because they worked hard for you. So just remember that. Look at it this way, guys. At this point last year, okay, think about it. Be honest. If you haven't bought a house yet, how many of you guys said, you know what, I'm not going to buy right now. I'm going to wait till 2023. I think in the spring, interest rates are going to go down. The economy, whether it's inflation, it's going to get a little bit better. The recession, or you didn't buy it. I'm not going to buy because of recession. I'm going to wait. Okay, be honest. How many of you guys are sitting here right now watching this video in the fourth quarter of 2023, looking back and said, maybe I should have bought that place in the spring, or maybe last fall. Maybe there's a house that you identified last fall that sold. Why don't you look it up to see how much it costs now? Guys, is there ever a good time to buy a house? Yeah, I guess, when your finances are straight and you feel comfortable. But it's like, there's a great quote out there. I can't remember the guy who said it. Maybe you guys could help me out, say it below. I believe his last name is Brown, where he said the best time to buy a home is always 5 years ago. That's a great line, because home prices historically continue to go up. Yeah, there was that dip in 2008, but then it went back up. So you just really know, but more importantly, do it when you feel comfortable. Look, I know life gets in the way. So sometimes you're forced to either buy or sell a home for whatever reason. I get it. But if you're planning on buying a property and staying in it 5, 10, 15 years, then again, buying right now might be the best thing to do. Timing the market is not a winning proposition. It's just not. The only thing I will tell you, more buyers are going to jump in the market in the spring, and what I say, jack up the price on you. So make sure you do your due diligence, work with your broker/agent, and more importantly, do whatever you feel is more comfortable to you, like subscribing to my channel. Have a great day, everyone.